Drain clogs and backups are a frustrating, difficult, and sometimes costly problem to deal with. Keep watching for a potential solution. For apartment buildings, hotels, or other large buildings with stacked drains, irritating and costly backups, clogs, and malodors can cause upset customers, loss of revenue, and costly and extensive repairs. For over a century, State has been utilizing a chemical drain program that utilizes the incredibly effective drain maintainer, Grease Be Gone. So you may be wondering, how does State's Drain Stack program work? Every month, your local State account manager will visit your facility. This visit ensures that the required amount of products were shipped right to your door, ensures any and all systems are working correctly, and lastly, guarantees that you're on the right track to free-flowing drain stacks that you need. Grease Be Gone is a CFIA certified product that keeps drain lines free-flowing, that is also non-acid, non-caustic, and non-corrosive, so it will not harm metal pipes. It's safe for pipes, but works to emulsify stubborn grease backups in your drains on contact. We target the offsets in your drain lines, especially the offsets where grease backups are most likely to happen. Your local account manager will pour a calculated amount of Grease Be Gone down these drain lines. With Grease Be Gone's superior ability to emulsify and break up fogs, it will clear any existing backups and prevent new ones from happening between surfaces. Treating your drain stacks with regular preventative maintenance from Grease Be Gone will prevent drain issues and will save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. Now, take the next step and visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get in touch with a representative from State Chemical and keep your drain lines flowing freely.